Hi, good evening. So, in this wonderful night, I would like to continue talking about phrasal verbs. And in this opportunity, we have this one, drop off. So, the meaning for this one is deliver someone or something or fall asleep. We can use it in another ways, and I think the phrasal verb drop off primarily means to take someone or something to a specific location and leave them there, usually by car. So it implies a temporary stop on a journey where the person or object is left at a designated spot. Here's a more detailed explanation. The first one could be, or the first meaning could be taking someone to a place or spot. So the example could be this one. I'll drive you off at the airport. This means you'll drive them to the airport and leave them right there. The other one could be taking something to a place. She dropped off her luggage at the hotel. This means she took her luggage to the hotel and left it there. And the last meaning could be leaving something at a location for processing. I need to drop my clothes off at the dry cleaners. This means you take your clothes to the cleaners and they will be clean and return later. So you can use these phrasal verbs in your daily conversations, and for sure they are going to enhance your English skills. So it is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.